Good morning, my dear students. Now let us continue chapter number 5, political parties. Now today we are going to see national parties. So Reference Election Commission of India notification number 56 oblique 201 oblique PPS -111 dated 13 December 2016. Now Indian National Congress. It is a national party, and this Indian National Congress was established in 1885. It was the oldest one party in India, and this party was established in 1885. At the time of its establishment, Congress was an all-comprehensive movement working for national independence, and groups with different ideologies had come together in this nationalist movement. And after independence, the Congress emerged as the most dominant political party. Actually, this was the moment. Means all ideologies people come together and they fought against the English people for independence. And this means groups with different ideologies had come together in this national movement to combat against the English people. But after independence, the Congress emerged as the most dominant political party, because there was no one party to compete with Congress party, the Indian National Congress Party. And that is why it was the most dominant political party in those days. In those time, the party from the beginning follows the policy of secularism, all around development, equal rights and welfare for minorities and disadvantaged sections of the society. Accordingly, Congress has organized the various programs to achieve those objectives. The party believes in democratic socialism, social equality and international peace. Actually, it was the most dominant political party in India, and this party's objective was to develop the all around equal rights and welfare for minorities and disadvantaged sections of the society. And Congress party has organized the various programs, the plans, and to achieve those objectives. The party believes in democratic socialism. That party was believed in democratic, socialism, social equality and international peace. It was the motto of the National Congress Party. Number 2, this is the number 2 Communist Party of India. So after Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India, this party based on the communist ideology, was established in 1925. It is an old party in India. This party works for the welfare of laborers and workers. Communist Party of India, it is also national party, and this party worked for laborers and workers specially, and this party was established in 1925. The party opposes capitalism. The party leadership developed differences in 1962 over the issue of whether Communist Party of India should accept the leadership of Communist China or the Soviet Union. This led to the split in Communist Party of India, and separate party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, was formed. Actually, Communist Party of India, same ideologies people come together, but after some years, the party leadership developed differences in 1962 over the issue of whether Communist Party of India should accept the leadership of Communist China or the Soviet Union, and this led to the split in Communist Party. This led to the split means divided into in the Communist Party of India, and separate party became Communist Party of India, Marxist, and was formed. Another one, National Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bharatiya BJP. Bharatiya Janata Party was an important party at the national level. Bharatiya Janata Party means, Bharatiya Jana Sangha was established in 1951. Actually, it was one of the biggest one party in India, Bharatiya Janata Party, and it was established in 1951, means after independence. It was established, and this party was merged with Janata Party, that was established in 1977. The Janata Party could not survive. There was a split in the party, and Bharatiya Jana Sangha, the component party of Janata Party, established a new party in 1980, Bharatiya Janata Party. The party stands for the protection of Indian culture and traditions. The party gives importance to economic reforms. This Janata Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, split into the another one party, Bharatiya Janata Party, in 1980, and this party stands for the protection of Indian culture and tradition. The party gives importance to economic reforms. Number 4, Communist Party of India, Marxist. Because Communist Party of India, it was split into another one. Communist Party of India, split into, formed the another one, Communist Party of India, Marxist. This party proclaims socialism, secularism, and democracy. Communist Party of India and another one is Communist Party of Marxist, and this party believed in the socialism and secularism and democracy. The party opposed imperialism. Party's policy is to protect the interests of workers, farmers, and landless laborers. Actually, what was the objective of this party? This party was believed in secularism, socialism, and democracy. And that Communist Party of India, means Marxist party's policy was to protect the interest of workers, farmers, and landless laborers. Actually, it was the motto of the political party of Marxist to do the work for workers, farmers, and landless laborers. Now another one is that National Party, Bahujan Samaj Party. Number 5, Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party professes the socialist ideology. In 1984, the party was established. So the Bahujan Samaj Party was established in 1984. And what was the objective? What was the ideology of this party? Socialist ideology of this party. And this objective of protecting the interest of the majority, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, religious minorities, and other backward classes. So actually, what was the objective of this party? To do the work for the scheduled caste, SC and ST, and means scheduled tribes and scheduled caste and minorities and other backward classes. And also this party aims to give power in the hands of the majority. Number 6, Nationalist Congress Party. Nationalist Congress Party. In 1999, there was a split in the Congress Party, and Nationalist Congress Party was established, and the party believes in the values of democracy, equality, and secularism. Actually, the National Congress Party split in the Congress Party, and Nationalist Congress Party was formed. National Congress Party, Nationalist Congress Party come from the Indian National Congress, because this Indian National Congress split in the Congress Party and became the Nationalist Congress Party. This party was formed in in 1999. So this party believes in the values of democracy, equality and secularism. The party was in power in Maharashtra from 1999 to 2014 in coalition with the Congress party. Actually this party was in the power. It was a governing party. It was ruling in Maharashtra with the coalition of National Congress Party. So National Congress Party for a long period was also part of coalition government led by Congress Center from 2004 to 2014. So nationalist, the Indian National Congress, it was that party as for, this Nationalist Congress Party for a long period was also part of coalition of government led by Congress at center from 2004 to 2014. Number 7, Tribunal Congress. All India Tribunal Congress Party was established in 1998. Election Commission gave the party recognition as a national party in 2016, and this party supports democracy, secularism and protection of interest of the weaker sections of the society. So Tribunal Congress Party emerged in 1998, and this election commission gave the party recognition as a national party in 2016. So this party supports democracy, secularism and protection of interest of the weaker sections of the society. What was the objective of this party? Means to work for the secularism and protection of interest of the weaker section. That was the objective of this Tribunal Congress Party. So these are the major national parties: Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India means Marxist, Bahujan Samaj Party and Nationalist Congress Party. So these are the major national parties, national parties in India. So this is about the national parties of India. So let us stop here, and in the next video we will continue about the regional parties. Okay, thank you.